Hello, in this video I will be unboxing this fire alarm device. I got this new in box, but it looks like the seller took it out of its original box to make it cheaper to ship, and it might be broken. So let's go ahead and open it up. Alright, well, here it is. Alright, let's go ahead and pull it out of the bag. Alright, it is good they shipped it in the anesthetic bag, though. Yeah, that's not good. That just fell out, though. Oh, okay. Looks like that just goes inside this. Maybe that's a fuse or something. Yeah, looks like it might just be a fuse. Well, it was supposed to come with the wiring harness, and it showed it in the pictures, but the seller took it out of its original box, and the wiring harness is no longer here. But this is an AMPS-24. In case you didn't know, I'm getting a NFS 2-3030 panel, and this is the first part of it. So hopefully this thing works, because I got this for a really good deal. And yeah, stay tuned for more unboxings. There will be a lot more on my channel pretty soon.